take a look at the define directive. Okay, so the define directive the percentage define directive allows defining both numeric and string constants. Okay, so the directive is similar to the hashtag define in C. For those who have ever programmed in C, you understand. Okay, so for example, you may define the constant ptr like this. Okay, so here we can have define. Okay, so this is our directive percentage design. Don't forget percentage at the start. Okay, so define and then ptr, and then we can store it there. Okay, on the stack like that. Okay, like that. Okay, so don't forget to like the video. For those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the video, subscribe to the video. Okay, so when you subscribe, like, comment and share videos on this channel, you help the channel grow. Okay, and you encourage me to release more to you. Okay, that's going to make you job ready for your career, for your cybersecurity career. Okay, so thank you if you have done that.